Unpacking the Phazr Networking Bundle. Your Phazr Networking Bundle will arrive in a single box, containing 3 smaller boxes and an installation manual. Begin by unpacking the box. The smallest box contains 3 pieces: the Phazr hub, a blue Ethernet cord, and a black USB cord. The large box contains the Amplify Wi-Fi system. The contents include your Amplify router, 2 Wi-Fi mesh points, a box of accessories, and a power cord. The medium box contains the lines monitoring device, 2 pairs of current transformers, and additional installation accessories. When finished unpacking, your Phazr Networking Bundle should have each of the components seen here. If any components are missing, do not continue with your installation and contact a JLM representative.